Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing our house awesome lunch menu, that is Kabuli Pulao recipe and also chicken sheek Kabab. How I made them, how you can make it and freeze it as well. I will share it with you today. And heartbreaking thing happened in my backyard. We went on vacation for 4 to 5 days. When we came back, I saw all my tomato plants were just fallen down due to heavy rains and overloaded tomatoes. And see, whole lot of strawberries. I harvested nice good quantity of strawberries. They were very sweet as they had ripe completely in the plant itself. See, all these raw tomatoes from the plant has fallen down. I will make some chutney with this, no worries. But it was really heartbreaking to see the entire tomato plant fully together fell out of its position, and maybe some branches would have broken, but still I don't know what is the condition. And I had harvested whole lot of tomatoes. After coming from vacation, I saw too many tomatoes were ripe inside outside. I had to search a lot and remove lot of tomatoes. In a little while, I'll show you how many tomatoes I harvested all week long, and few of the other vegetables also I was able to harvest. Like when I came back, right at that time, again I got a handful of okra, that also I will share. See these tomatoes, these are something different variety, right? Only two I was able to harvest. This is yet to ripe, but still I removed out of the plant. That will reduce a little bit weight. It will ripe if you keep over the counter itself, no worries. 3 green chilies, 2 jalapenos, and 4 5 okras I got. That's all. This is the harvest for day to day. I will be using all these tomatoes in my daily routine cooking. Now let's prepare lunch. For lunch, I will be preparing first sheek kebab. Chicken sheek, many times I have shared. I will be taking 1 kg of chicken mince. For that, I will be taking 1 large onion, 1 large red bell pepper and green chilies. Chop it, squeeze out of water and add it to the mince meat. Lot of coriander leaves and powdered masala is salt, garam masala, jeera powder, chaat powder and dhania powder and chili flakes, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 3 tablespoons of butter. Nicely mix it. I forgot to add ginger garlic paste. Now I have added 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and nicely mix it again and keep it aside. Now let's start preparing the Kabuli Pulao. Very famous and very trending recipe. Sure, try it. In oil, I have fried onions nicely brown. You have to fry them. To that, I have added chicken and ginger garlic paste. Again, red chili flakes, salt to taste, dhania powder, garam masala. Nicely fried. Even jeera powder I added in it, and tomatoes. Nicely fry the chicken and rest of the masala. Cover it. The water itself will release out of the chicken, and you can see nicely fry until all the raw smell is gone. I have taken 2 cups of rice. Rice also fry along with this chicken masala itself. Now I am adding whole lot of coriander leaves, 1 banana pepper, 1 jalapeno and green chilies. All these greens are from my backyard. I added only 3 glass of water, that is 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. 1 cup I have kept less. That will keep the grains nice and long. Cover it and cook, and again you check. Now I am going to keep it on dum. While it's getting dum, until then we will prepare the nice awesome garnish, that is lot of butter and oil together and whole lot of these carrot cut in this long shape. Even more fine will be much more beautiful, but in hari bari I cut like this, and lot of kishmish. And also you can add almonds to this recipe, but today I did not add the almonds as it takes time to peel. Also I did not soak it and peel it, so I am just going with carrots and kishmish, that is raisins. When the rice is completely done, at that time add these carrots and kishmish, that is raisins, on top, and again keep it covered. Now when the rice is very much ready, let's start preparing our sheek kebab. I have skewers of this kind to make the sheek kebab. If you don't have, don't worry. Always go for straw. Any thick straw like boba tea straw and all is there, right? That kind of thick straws will be much more helpful for you making all these sheek kebabs. That's it. While making also you can use water in your hand. For that it will not stick in your hand and easily you can make sheek kebabs like this. Whenever I make sheek kebab, I make in large quantity and make them and freeze. Today, to show the simplest way, I am making it over the stove top in tawa. This way you can normally fry. Nicely twist, turn all sides and fry it on low medium flames. It will be cooked until inside. Otherwise, simply I use air fryer. Always my first choice will be air fryer, and if I'm making in large quantity, right, that is oven is the most best way I will do. See this full quantity I have made two different, one for sheek kebab long size and small little bit gola kebab like I have made, that is for making curry for next day. All this together I have made it and I will be baking it together in the oven. That's the most easiest way you can do. 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. I will bake it nicely, completely cool it. You can either keep it in fridge or in the freezer depending on the time you will take to use it. That's all. Our sheek kebab is very much ready to be served with our lunch. Now our see here Kabuli Pulao, very viral recipe and very tasty too. Equally you should see how tasty it is. It is no less than any biryani. It is very tasty. You can see I am serving it along by the side of salad and forgot to take the clip of that mint chutney. Directly from my backyard I took all the mint and immediately made the mint chutney fresh. So this was our lunch, sheek kebab with mint chutney and this Kabuli Pulao along with the side of salad. Always very fresh, very refreshing and filling food, very balanced plate too. Hope you all like this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye. Next video will be our vacation video. I will share where we went and what all we enjoyed. Sure, keep watching.